here. I'm just gonna start rolling and see how fast I get a fish here. I just got a spinner on today. This is the small pond. I'm just gonna put it right on the bottom. Okay, I think we're on the bottom. Reel up a little. See how long it takes me to get one. Don't know if this is a good spot or not, but we'll see. Be awesome to just get one within minutes of getting here. This was kind of last second. It's supposed to go up to 10 degrees by Friday. Right now it's Wednesday. And all this ice will be gone. So I did drill 2 holes in the ice. The other one's just a little bit over there. So I'm going to go try that one for a bit. See if it's any different. Maybe I get a little more depth there. Usually I start at bottom. I'll go up a couple feet, bounce it some more, go up a couple feet, bounce it some more, go up periodically, and then if I get to the top, nothing's hit, I do it all over again. Okay, so we got something on here. Feels heavy. It was right on top of the water. Oh, nice. Nice bass. That is beauty. That's a decent sized bass too. Nice. Not bad. Nice little bass through the ice. That was cool. He hit good. At first I thought it was a bluegill, but obviously not. Oh my. I felt the ice shift there. That was scary. I've never had that before. Holy. So this is what I was using here. Just a little spinner. And that largemouth bass took it about 2 inches away from the hole. I'm gonna drill one more hole. This is where I'm gonna end off the night. Again, all I have is some spinners, so I'm not expecting too much. You know, 1 bass tonight I'm happy with, so anything extra is bonus. Holy. Whew. That was close. I think all this will be gone by the weekend because it's supposed to go up to plus 10. And that's just Southern Ontario for you, so thankful for this and hoping I can get some more fish through the ice when the time comes. If you're watching this, appreciate it. Thanks for the view. Please subscribe. And unless I catch another one here in the next half hour, I think this will be it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.